Hi everyone. Good evening friends. Welcome to Happy Money. Okay. What day is today? Today is very good day for us. So I explained yesterday Eicher Motors and Hindustan Unilever. We got a very good profit in these two stocks. Even the market is in the negative also. Okay. So today also I will explain things Eicher Motors, Cola India, what will happen to coming days and Bal Krishna, and today I will explain about the Bal Krishna also. Okay, today we will add one more stock in our list. So before that one, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. You'll get the notification when I upload the new videos. Okay, well, come to the point. So I explained yesterday about Eicher Motors. So what I explained, so we can buy around 2470 rupees to around that one, that much of shares. So we will see the good movements actually. So our target is 2600, 2700 in between these two. So as if I buy yesterday 2470, or today also we have seen 50 points of up today. Okay, so today open the market is 2480 rupees. So and we have seen low also 2455. So if I buy yesterday price also what I told 2460 or 70, today we have seen the high of 2525. So it is around 30 plus 25 55 points we have seen today. Okay, so it will suppose if you want to book the profit you can book it here, otherwise you can wait for our target is 2600. It will come in coming days or next week also we can see this one profit. This is about Eicher Motors and Hindustan Unilever. What I explained day before yesterday, and yesterday also I explained. Please watch my two videos. What I am explaining about the Hindustan Unilever, we have seen some dip here. Okay, if I buy around the 2360, if I buy, we can see the good profit and good movement also. Actually, for Hindustan Unilever, our target is here also 2550 rupees. Okay, so today also we can see good movements. If you buy 2360 rupees, today high is 2415 rupees. Okay, so it is also around 40 55 points also we can see today. Tomorrow also we can see some movements in Hindustan Unilever, and as usual the RO Pharma also I told you we will see some dip, and we can, that was a good time to buy. So my target, my entry was actually around 890 or 880 actually. So yesterday, please watch my yesterday video, we can see our entry points. I told you like we can see buy around 890 rupees, we can see the target. Because of this resistance, it will take some time. So my target is 1000 rupees for this RO Pharma. And yesterday also I added one more Cola India. Okay, so suppose we can see, as I explained yesterday, we have seen some dip. So buying around 130 to 133 we can buy. Suppose if you buy here, our target is 150 or 160, we can, target is same, target don't change. So if you get if you buy the very cheaper rate, it will good for us. Okay, we can see the some more good profit. So these are all the four stocks I explained earlier, and today I am adding one more stock, Balkrishna. Okay, so this was, today is done fantastic. So we have seen 3% of up today. Okay, suppose if tomorrow also we can see continue, otherwise we can see some little bit dip. If you buy around 1000, right, close actually 1620 rupees, right? So if you buy around 1580 rupees or 90 rupees, if you will buy around, actually my target for this one Bal Krishna is actually 1750 rupees is my target actually. So we have seeing here high, right? So if we cross it high, so we can see sometimes 1800 also. Actually that's why I'm always not greedy person. I'm always a low book, low point, some little bit points. If I get around 50 points, 600 points or 150 points, so I will book. Suppose if my target is 200 points, I will book around 150, 160. Otherwise, my target is 100 rupees, I will book around 70, 82 points. This. Suppose if we can do like this, I will give you one more example. See what I explained day before yesterday. At HDFC, we can see around my target was actually 2,600 rupees. Sorry, 2,550 rupees. So, see, I told you buy around the 2,480. So, that's why. And the target also, sorry, 2,460 rupees my actually entry point, and my target is 2,550. But what we can see, 2,530 was the I booked the profit and I exit from that one, that stock. That's why I'm always like this only I do. So my target is 100 points, I will book around 70, 80 rupees. So it will be good for everyone. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching the video, and please watch my remaining other videos also. You will subscribe my channel, you will get a very good stocks. These are all stocks only for educational purpose only, and not for intraday and not for trading purpose. Okay, don't trade in future or option things. If you want to invest, just invest the money in the cash market, you will get a good profit. See, HDFC we got a around 50 points today. Hindustan Unilever got also 50 points. Aisha Motors also we got 55 points. So see, we have seen in 2 days, we have seen 55, 55, 110 plus 50, 165 points we got. Suppose if we buy 100 stocks also for that one, 165 into 100, easily we can see the 16,500 rupees. This much of profit you got in 2 days. Think about, guys, please don't trade, do investment. Okay, thank you.